Okay, good evening, gentlemen.
Evening, Mr. Fajar.
Good evening.
Okay, on this occasion, I will share my presentation about achievement lead time delivery document to customer. For your info, this achievement is used to monitoring our invoice document from start, create the document invoice until customer receive our document. On this chart, there are 3 bar charts. The first chart is about achievement lead time delivery document in 2023. The second and the third chart, the content is about 2 different achievement customer last month. Let me use this first chart to explain our achievement in 2023. As information before, our target in December 2023 is 8 days. For the first chart, the lead time was 9 days in January. From January to February, the lead time dropped to 8 days and stabilized until March. From April until July, the lead times rose above from the target. In April was 10 days, on May and June were 11 days, and on July, the lead time reached a peak and far from target, it was 12 days. From July to August, the lead time dropped significantly from 12 days to 9 days, approaching the target. On November, lead time dropped according to the target. It was 8 days. The last, in December, the achievement lead time delivery document was 8 days and the target was achieved. Let's take a look at second chart for customer A. The second chart was good achievement lead time delivery document because the lead time always under the target. The lead time is fluctuated from 6 days on first week, 7 days on second week, 5 days on third week, and the last week on 4 days. But it is different to the third chart. Let me show you the difference. The third chart is for customer B, is worst achievement lead time delivery document, because the lead time always above our target. From the first week was 11 days, second week was 9 days, and remain constant to following week. And the fourth week reached a peak on 13 days. Okay, that's all my presentation, guys. Do you have any question for my presentation? Okay, please, Mr. Argo.
Thanks, Mr. Fajar, for the explain lead time delivery document on 20 and 23. I want to ask you one question. What is the target from? Yeah. What is the target from? It is from our leader or from other result, Mr. Fajar?
Okay, nice question, Mr. Argo. I will answer your question. The target is coming from our result from 2022 achievement. After we got the 2022 achievement, there are discussion on my department to create a new target, and that was the target on 2023, and the target was 8 days. Is it clear, Mr. Argo?
It's very clear. Thanks, Mr. Fajar.
Welcome, Mr. Argo. Okay, is there any question?
For me, enough, Pak Fajar. Thank you.
Okay, if there's no more question, I will conclude my presentation. Thank you for your attention, guys. I truly appreciate for your time. See you. Okay, the next presentation will be presenting by Mr. Argo.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Fajar. I want to continue the presentation. Good evening, everyone. I'm Argo Kunowo from EHS Department, Environment, Health and Safety Department at Head Office. And tonight, I will be sharing about the wastewater management system at the UT head office. This presentation about monthly monitoring result from our wastewater treatment plant on 2020 and 24. As a part of our environmental control program, we conduct wastewater quality testing every month. This graph explain about the data. Let's take a look from example. The pH value result from January to March remain constant at the value of 7 and rose in April, then fell in May, and then remain constant again in May to December. The oil and fat result from January to March remain constant at the value of 0, rose in April at 0.5 and remain constant until June, then fell again in July and remain constant again from July to December. The BOD5 from January to March remain constant at the 7, then fell in May, and so increase in April and then remain constant again from May to December. The TSS result remain constant at the value of 0 from January to December. This is my presentation. Please feel free to ask if you any other question.
Okay,
Okay,
Mr.
Mr. Jamshid.
Argo, thank you for your presentation. Maybe I want to ask one question for you. How do you ensure that all monitoring results are in line with targets?
Okay, thanks, Mr. Samsid, for your question. I want to answer that how we ensure that the all monitoring result in the line with the target. We have a special team, Mr. Jamshid. The teams is carry out daily WWTP management and carry out daily internal measurement. The internal measurement is called Swapanto or self-monitoring. This activity to prevent any other result out of the target, Mr. Samsid.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other question, everyone?
I have no question for you, Mr. Argo.
Enough, Mr. Argo.
Okay, if any other question, I want to finish my presentation and thank you for everyone for the attention.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Good evening, everyone. I will explain to you about annual report from United Tractors in 2024, especially in revenue, gross profit margin, asset, and share movement from UNTR. If you take a look this chart in net revenue from 2020 to 2024, rising slightly, especially in 2024, increased 5% from 2023. And let's take a look this chart gross profit margin from 2022 until 2024 fluctuate, yeah. Especially in 2023 drop to 2024. And also the asset, the company from 2022 until 2024 rising slightly, especially increase 10% from 2023 to 2024. And share movement in 2024 the fluctuate in average price to in 30,000 rupiah per share. I think enough for me for my presentation. If you any question, please. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Mr. Fajar.
Okay, Mr. Yu, I will ask you one question. Okay, can you tell me what happened to the revenue in 2024?
Oh, okay, Mr. Fajar. Thank you for your question. In 2024, if you take a look this chart in 2024, the revenue increase from 2023 increase 5% because in United Tractors, especially primarily driven by the mining contractor segment, which post the revenue in rupiah 58 trillion Thank you, Mr. Fajar.
Okay, thank you for
Maybe-
your information, Mr. Yu.
Maybe any question from others?
I think enough. Thank you, Mr. Rio.
Thank you.
Okay, gentlemen, thank you for all of you. My name is Camat Sitorus. Let's move to, I want to share my presentation about Brands Update Grow 2024. Yeah, as we know, both CPO prices are relatively stable at 800 to 900 USD per metric tons with cost of 400 to 500 USD per metric tons. World CPO production continues to increase from 72 to 77 million tons. Produces 50 million tons with market shares 49%. CPO is the most productive among other vegetable oils, namely 4 tons per each A compared to others 0.4 until 0.7 ton per each A. Take a look at the data. Market share of CPO producers in 2022, the highest market share is from Indonesia, achieved in 58.74%, and then Malaysia 25.01%. And from data BPPKPS, Indonesian palm oil production projection from 2018 until 2050 million tons. The highest achievement maybe in look the graph. You can see from the 2028 until 2025 is the projection in 2025 achieved in 54.25. Okay, sorry, a correction about that. 54.29 million tons. Okay, thanks. Maybe this is my update growth 2024. In any question, please.
Okay. How interesting for your presentation, Mr. James.
Thank you.
I have a question. How about the world CPO price trend in 2025?
Okay, thank you for the question, Mr. Rio. World CPO prices are expected to remain firm but range bound in 2025, trading in an elevated state compared to historical averages. Factors like strong demand from new field mandates and food needs are expected to provide structural support, potential offsetting weaker global economic growth. It's clear, Mr. Rio?
Yes, enough, Mr. Thames. Thank you.
Maybe any question from others before I
I
close
think
my
I think
presentation?
enough, Mr. Chamsit.
Okay, thank you guys, all of you gentlemen, for this meeting this evening. I'm so appreciate for all of you. I think our presentation useful to our company. See you for meeting next time.
Thank you. Nice talking to
Okay,
you guys.
Thank you,
everyone.
Mr. Chamsit,
Everyone.
Mr. Fajar, Mr. Rio.
Thank you, everyone.